persistence. There is word for consistency. Daily action. You can know that word is persistence, and it's probably one of the most underused and underrated words in the entire dictionary. The best definition of persistence I have heard comes from Newt Gingrich, who says persistence is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. In other words, persistence may not be glamorous, but it sure gets the job alone. I think too many Americans today overvalue talent and undervalue persistence. We think that only the super talented people make it big in this country, but for every super talented successful people who made it on sheer gets and presidents channel senders of Kentucky Fried Chicken fame is a perfect example. Channel sample did not even start his work with enterprise until he retired from the railroad. When he was over 60, he started shopping his sweet chicken recipe to rest over all over the south for months, and he drove thoughts of meals, stopping at every roadside restaurant along the way to see life. The owner would buy his chicken recipe more often than Hat Sanders ended up sleeping in this car because couldn't afford a motel room. All in all, Colonel Sanders was rejected by nearly 500 places before a kind rest. Owner took pity on him and allowed him to demonstrate his process. Today there are thousands of Kentucky chicken franchises in hundreds of countries all over the cook in the world, and he wasn't the most brilliant business in the world either. If he had been, he would have wanted the railroad that employed him as a jobber for 40 years. But he was without a doubt one of the most president people in the world. And it was presidency not talented that took him to the top of his profession. A wise man once remarked of presidency is not a long race. It is many short races, one after the other. Think about it. In the confrontations between the strainery always wins. As speakers put it, much rain wears down the marble. Matter is the sister persistent always in the end. Thank you. Now the discipline. There is no doubt that human is like an animal and the most undisciplined person on the earth. Even in nature, nothing works without discipline. The animal or birds don't overeat or oversleep. The perform the daily task with discipline. Have you ever seen a lawyer suffering from Consuming. Absolutely not. Only a man keeps on consuming alcohol in excess, even when the doctor warns him not to. He keeps on smoking cigarettes even when he can use that he is killing him. He would eat sugar, sweets, only foods even when he is displayed. Thank you.